Glow allows us to place graphic on the garments. We can use this function to apply logos, labels, or create patterns. To apply graphic, select Transform Graphic tool. It's located in both 2D and 3D windows. Then navigate to the graphic file and click Open. Crosshairs will appear, showing where the image will be placed. Left-click and an Add Graphic window set the dimensions of the image. If the graphic is in your linked folder, navigate to it, right-click and select Add as Graphic, after which you can place it directly on the garment. Click on the graphic with Transform Graphic tool and the circle will appear. This circle allows us to rotate and scale the image. To scale the graphic either vertically or horizontally, click and drag the circle icons. If we drag triangles, the image will be scaled proportionally. If we right-click while doing this or hit Ctrl key on Mac, we'll get a transform window, which will allow us to scale it either by percentage or by dimensions. To rotate the graphic, hover your cursor over the circle's outline and it will change to a circular arrow. Click and hold while moving the cursor to rotate, or hold Shift and constrain the movement to 45-degree increments. We can access the properties of the graphic in Property Editor. Here we can change the material of the graphic, add texture to it in Normal Map section, change color, opacity, etc. In Graphic Options, we can control which side of the fabric the image will appear on. We have the option to place it on the front, back, or both sides of the fabric. Tile allows us to repeat the graphic along X, Y axis or as a pattern. If we scale the image, the pattern will scale accordingly. We can move the graphic to another pattern by simply dragging and dropping it. We can also duplicate the graphic to the symmetrically linked pattern by right-clicking on it and selecting this option.